Hey folks, Paulie here, sitting at the breakfast table. Most of the time when it's dinner time, we call it the dinner table. Little lady's laughing at me, but it's okay. So in this video, once again, I'm going to use the Ninja to make the Paulie Detmurds breakfast. This is a breakfast I eat 2 to 3 times a week. So sit back, enjoy yourself, and see what I eat 2 to 3 times a week. This time using the Ninja. Yeah, inside these pots, never use metal utensils. You'll scratch it and it will be junk. That's right, we are on the saute and sear feature. You can use it just like a frying pan. I don't know why they don't call it frying pan. They should have that on there. Call it sear, saute, and frying pan. Yeah, so just your typical scrambled eggs at this point. And now, for the other half of breakfast, spinach. I have a little bit. You gotta cook a whole lot. Let's call this the Paulie Detmurds Ninja Scrambled Eggs and Spinach Breakfast. I'm telling you folks, this is my typical breakfast. I have this maybe 3 times a week. I love it. Don't worry about that little bit of egg residue in there. I'll eat it. When you put the spinach in here, it kind of cleans the pan too, so it's a win-win situation. Ninja has done its job once again. Pink Himalayan salt. Peppercorn.